Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Hot Rod Workshop. Today, we're gonna make ourselves a metal shaping slapper. All right, that turned out half decent. Pretty simple tool, easy to make, but there's a lot you can do with it. The wood that we used on this tool is a hard maple. Hard maple is really nice to use with these particular tools because it's a really tight grain structure, and because you're beating steel with it, the odds of it splitting if, say, you were to use hickory are pretty high. So it's nice to use maple for longevity. This could last you 20 years. You know, you could even swap out the leather if you had to. So pretty simple shape to secure the leather with the button snaps there. The bandsaw that I have is an old bandsaw, and with this particular wood, it has a very high tendency of burning like this. So eventually I may sand all this down and make it all uniform, but I gotta be honest, I don't hate the look of the burnt sections of the wood, so I may just keep it like that. Once it was all said and done, hit it with some linseed oil, boiled linseed oil, to just get a quick little sheen on it, and she's ready for service. So yeah, a nice wood slapper for your sheet metal forming projects. Thanks for watching. All right, well, I now remember why I don't like doing woodwork. No. Nah. Ooh.